Hey everyone, thanks for climbing aboard with us here for a special bonus episode of The Main Track. This is a follow-up to our last episode highlighting the Ozarks Model Railroad Association Fall Show. I have that linked right above. I wanted to show you more of this amazing G-scale layout featuring the work of the Ozark Garden Railway Society based in Springfield, Missouri. This is the D&R Railroad, and it's probably one of the most detailed G-scale train layouts I've ever seen. Now, those of you who are regular viewers of the channel know that I model an HO scale, but I couldn't help but walk away from this G-scale layout very inspired. The D&R is a freelanced railroad set in a mountain mining area. The trains are lettered for the fictional Booger County. And as you can see, there's so much packed into this display, which is only 7 feet by 14 feet. Now, unlike most garden railways you've seen, which are built in gardens, this G-scale display is built into a travel trailer, so it can be taken to shows just like this one. Now, according to details on the Society's brochure, this layout took 1,800 hours to build, and all the structures are scratch-built. You'll see the group has hidden some cartoon characters and superheroes, just something fun for the kids to find. Looks like the Booger County Sheriff has the inmates on work detail along the right-of-way. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of the D&R Railroad, and we'll see you next time right here on the main track.